Good afternoon, traders. Let's go. So we're looking for a really big move up in the Euro New Zealand. I think if you've been following me, you know we were looking for this move to start to happen. We were buying it, and then it stopped. So we had a few break-even trades, a few small wins, one small loss, and then it turned. We sold this, we sold this, we sold this one, and we're looking for a sell setup here. Why the sell setup? Why are we selling Euro New Zealand? So let me go back and show you why we're selling it. Now, this is the structure we're looking at in the weekly. It will go up. This move is going to happen. That's a 99.9% guarantee that move is going to happen. But is it going to happen now? That's the problem. You always have to wait until these moves finish. This move finished. So we had a sharp move here, and we did anticipate that there's a possibility that that move belongs to something else in the future to become a running flat. So while we were trading it this up, that is why we were closing the trades and re-entering and closing the trades, taking break even, because we weren't sure whether it's going to turn. Well, now we're pretty much sure it's turning. So the trade setup I'm looking for is this to be a flat on a weekly, right? I think it's going to come break this low again. You have a small running flat in here. See that one? Come break the low, and then we're going to start the upside. So we're trying to trade this down to break this low, make a low, turn, give us a trade, and then we're trading it up for this trade to the top. So you have 1, 2, 3, and then up, of course, downside if this is the move coming down into it, right? So if you follow me by now, you know. If you're seeing this video for the first time, go watch my videos on Daniel Mangle YouTube. You will see a lot of these patterns there. You will see how they work. And if you want to join us, send me a Skype message. All right, let me type my Skype here because a lot of people get asked, sending me messages on Facebook and all. The best thing to do is to send me on Skype, right? MANGAL 457. Send me a message there. You'll get all the details you want to join us. Let's go to the daily. Daily, we're seeing a sharp move here. Now, that doesn't necessarily mean it's going to break the low, but that's an assumption we're making that it could go break the low because we can look at this as a running flat, and that means it could go. We will sell every sell setup we get, move our stops, take profit, re-enter again if there's another sell setup until it breaks the low, and then we start buying. So go to the 4 hour. You can see this sharp drop. We've made a few sells already. On the 1 hour, there's a sell here for you today. The reason I'm posting this is because there's a really nice flag forming here, and we're looking for a sell setup from this point. That is the trade we are taking in our trading room, like we took this trade, and we'll be managing that trade, which means we will get in and get out of that trade, taking profit. If it drops really fast, good for us. If it drops slow, we'll manage the trade. What if this trade doesn't go? Well, if it consolidates more to the upside, not a problem. It's still a sell. Right? If it takes a sharp move, well, then we'll change that and we'll be looking for the buy on it, right? If we get a buy, it means we're going to have a really big flat here. If we get the sell, right now it's a sell. If we get the sell, we'll manage it when it breaks the low, start moving your stop and see how far it goes. Now, because we're expecting to come and break this low, it means it could really, at some point, make a really sharp move to the downside. So you will take every sell and see whether that gives you the sharp move. Some of them will be break-even trades, because if it breaks and starts to consolidate, we'll get the hell out of it. Right? We're looking for a sharp impulse, not consolidation. So I hope you understand that. If you don't understand this and you don't understand how we trade this, if you don't have a strategy how to trade it, or if you really don't know how to manage your trades when you're in the trade, you might want to join us. You have the Skype. Send me a message. I'll give you all the details. Thank you. I hope you like these short videos because I'm going to make more of them. Please watch them to the end and share them as much as you can to new traders or to traders who are learning and to traders who are trading. It will help them. Thank you. Bye.